Right, okay guys, we've got here our new special massage tool. This is for massaging over the surface of the leather. So all you're going to do is where you've got leather that's gone really hard, dry and brittle, what we need to do is obviously we need to make that soft, supple and rejuvenated again. So you're going to literally go over the surface like so and just keep doing that and massaging backwards and forwards over the leather in all sorts of directions. This is going to sort of stretch the fibres and it's going to sort of loosen up those fibres on the back of the hide, and it's going to make that really nice, soft and supple again. To get an even softer finish to your leather, you would get some of the softening cream, LRC 20, apply some to an applicator pad, one of the LRC applicator pads like so, and just put it on like this, and then we're going to massage that into the leather with the massage tool. So just put it on like that, and then we're going to literally massage that in to the leather like so, and just literally get that massaged in. And what this is going to do, this is going to help push that softening cream into the leather. What you can also do as well to help rejuvenate the skin, to rehydrate it, is, you know, once you've got that massaged in with the massage roller, is then put cling film on it so it literally sweats it into the surface. So you're literally just going to go all the way over that and just massage that in to rehydrate the leather, and that will make that really soft and supple. These seats were so brittle and dry, you couldn't possibly do anything like this to them before. You can see how dry they are up here. This is nearly through, but I mean, I'm quite confident now pushing that. I know that's now not going to split, because we've massaged it with the massage tool and we've used the LRC 20 on there to help rehydrate it as well and soften the skin and bring it all back to life again. So that's it, great little gadget, massaging tool to massage your leather, an LRC 20 softening cream, rehydrates your leather, makes it beautiful, soft and supple once again.